Welcome back to DLM Campervans. Today we have a pre-owned magnetic metallic Mini-T Campervan on a 2021 low-mile Ford Transit Connect. Get a brand new conversion warranty from DLM, unlimited 1-year mileage. As always, you find solar, over-the-air antenna, max air fan. This has an awning, lift gate, hitch, shore power plug and cord, limo tinted windows in the back for privacy. Also comes with sunshades and a front curtain. Mini-T is a little camper that can, because it can fit in a standard 7-foot garage. It can be used as your daily vehicle. It's okay for HOA communities. It can run the microwave, sink, refrigerator, everything, even if you're not plugged in. It's powered with the dual house batteries that are being charged by solar as you're driving, or if you have shore power. 2000 watt inverter uses that stored power to run your microwave, and an outlet, so if you need a CPAP, no problem. Even if you aren't plugged in, it'll work. TV DVD player, lighting, reversible fan for ventilation, couch that folds out into a bed. Underneath the bed you have storage. There is a foldable portable toilet, also a cook stove, and some storage totes. Check out this van at DLM-Distribution.com or give us a call 651-285-7089 or 507-382-9446. Happy camping!